What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? We're going to be looking at this 2005 Volvo S60R sedan four-door. This thing right here is going for $4,000. This thing was listed 8 weeks ago. This thing is out of St. Augustine, Florida. This thing has been driven 100,695 miles. It is an automatic transmission. Exterior color is silver. Interior color is blue. Fuel type is gasoline. 16 miles per gallon on city. 23 on the highway. Combined, you got 19. The car has a clean title. Let's look at the seller's description. Testing the waters of selling my 2005 Volvo S60R. I've owned it about a year now, and I've been looking to sell it to get something different. I've put around 4,000 miles on it myself. The motor and transmission are strong. Motor was rebuilt by Volvo. Volvo around 120k miles. Transmission was rebuilt by Volvo around 190k miles. I recently took it on a road trip to the Tail of the Dragon and back. The car handled the curvy roads beautifully. The good, road ready, cold AC, hot heat, clean interior, new tires, oil filter change, inner outer tie rods with fresh alignment, a 900cc battery, elevate aftermarket exhaust, AEM boost gauge, engine, and cabin air filter wipes. Okay. The bad previous owner removed the rear drive shaft for unknown reasons. I purchased a used drive shaft mount and new OEM hardware. However, I have not installed it yet. OEM S60 brakes instead of the SRS airbag light on for unknown reason. So let's look at the good. We got functions and all that. We got the AC. We got heat if we needed. We got rebuilt transmission, rebuilt motor and all that from Volvo, the company itself, which is actually pretty cool. Now with the bad, he said the rear drive shaft have been moved. Now I believe the R is a all-wheel drive, so this is like an all-wheel drive setup. So anyway, we're gonna look at this car right here. Just based off this picture right here, I love it. I love the roof rack. If y'all don't know me, I love roof racks. I got one on my old Mercedes. I got to get me a cargo box and all that. My other cargo box had broke on me, but I got a roof rack and all that little good stuff. I love the roof racks. I think they complement the car really well, and you can use extra space and all that. I really love the wipers that this thing have on here. I love the Euro tag and all that. Nothing like a Euro tag. Let's see. He looked like he got a video, so let's look at it. Cool looking gauges. Oh, she sounds strong. Ooh, got that turbo. That sounds good. That sounds good. Yeah, that really sounds good. That really sounds good. I like that. Anyway, we're going to take some more looks at the car right here. Looks so beautiful and all that. Looks really cool. We got the front end right here. I love the wipers. I think it's pretty cool. Got the other end. Got the back end. I really love the back end. Like I said, it's all-wheel drive, as y'all can see. So he said he removed the rear drive shaft. Rear drive shaft. Rear drive shaft. Rear drive shaft. I gotta look into that. Which is pretty. He said I purchased a used drive shaft and mount. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to install it. But anywho, like I said, it was the back end. I really love the nice curves and all that. I love how it flows with the tail lights. It actually looks pretty cool. Back end look cool with the small spoiler. I like the tailpipes at the bottom. This is the engine. This is a 2.0 5-cylinder, if I'm mistaken, and I'm assuming that it have a turbo on it, due to them having like a boost gauge and all that. But it looks pretty cool. I think I'm gonna look at some more videos on this car on here. I'm kind of interested after looking at this one and hearing it. Got plenty of tread on the tires. I mean, everything looks clean. The interior looks clean, pretty immaculate and all that. I mean, it's a clean space to be in. Front and back. I like that. And we're going to take a listen one more time. And I want y'all to let me know y'all thoughts down below. That sounds good. Yeah, that really sounds good. That sounds good. But anyway, guys, it's going to be pretty much it. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts down below. I think it is a cool car. 212,000 miles for a Volvo and all that. I don't think it's that bad. I mean, for 4K, you can't really beat that for something really cool. Man, four grand. That's not bad for this joker here. Just put a little minor work to it, and I mean, you're really good, to be honest. But anyway, y'all let me know y'all thoughts down below. Hit this guy up if y'all want this bad boy here. Like I said, he got a nice little ride. I like it. Kind of reminds me of my Mercedes. I'm not gonna lie. I guess got the car gray. It got the roof rack system, but it actually looks good. All right, guys. As I say, y'all make sure y'all have a great one. Make sure y'all have a great one. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that Volvo. I think that thing is actually pretty nice. I bet it sounds good when it's under load and all that. But other than that, y'all let me know if y'all have driven a Volvo before. I think they are pretty cool cars. I feel like they underrated just a little bit. I feel like they pretty reliable and all that. I think they pretty cool. I often see a lot of Volvo semi trucks and all that. But when I seen this car right here, man, it just caught my eye. So I just had to share it with y'all. Man, make sure y'all share this video. Make sure y'all like it. Don't be a stranger and all that. And man, I really appreciate y'all. Anyway, let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it going. Stay tuned for another video of a car that had caught my eye. So I'm finna go and get this video out right now. It was supposed to have been scheduled for 11 and all that, but got things I gotta handle. And yeah, so I'm finna go and get this video out right now. Yeah, right now. Anyway, man, I see y'all. Peace.